Hello everyone, welcome all to my channel. In this video, we are going to see about difference between the real I, that is self, and the false I, that is ego. If you have any suggestion regarding this video, let me know in the comment section below. And if you are new to this channel, press the subscribe button and bell icon near it so that you don't miss any video updates. Thank you. Let's get back to the topic. The real I or self. The self is the supreme being, knowledge and bliss. It is non-dual entity, nothing separate from it. It is changeless, formless, supreme, blissful, pure and single. It has neither birth nor death. Nature of the self. What exists in truth is the self alone. The world, the individual soul and God are appearances in it. These three appear at the same time and disappear at the same time. The self is that where there is no I thought. That is called silence. The self itself is the world. The self itself is I. And the self itself is God. All is the self. How is one to think of the self? The self is self-luminous, without darkness and light, and is the reality which is self-manifested. Therefore, one should not think of it as this or that. The very thought of thinking will end in bondage. The purpose of meditation on self is to make the mind take the form of the self. False I or ego. In the body there appears the false I to claim the body for itself. It is called ego. The ego always has outward tendencies, taking the world to be real and himself to be doer and experiencer of pleasure and pain. It is simply wandering in this world without knowing itself. Such forgetfulness of self is called ignorance or maya. The world is the result of ignorance or maya. Even though we are formless, supreme, blissful and non-dual self, we think of ourselves as the body and assume to be the doer and experiencer. This assumption results in ignorance that prevents us from realizing our true self and ends in bondage. To realize our true self, we have to disown this false idea of ego to be real and seek within the real I. With the help of self-inquiry method taught by Bhagavan Sri Ramana Maharshi, who am I, we can realize our true self. Thank you.